And so many elected officials here tonight, Kristen, Libby, Carlo, all you, and First Selectman Jamie Stevenson from Darien. Thank you so much for being here for a wonderful day. I was having a cup of coffee last week when Barbara got a call, and it was from Alan, and getting ready to go on my new hard work that I do on the beach. And Barbara couldn't believe, she says, they're going to name the community room after him. And I said, what? You know, and it's the old joke when they honored Howard Cosell, somebody went up there and said, couldn't they find a human being down there? But it really did catch me by surprise. But, you know, when first started, when Alan walked in the room 7 years ago with the initial plans, and other than problems with vouchers, tax credits, bureaucracy, zoning, architect, it was easy. But he and the board managed to get through it. And speaking of the board, I want to thank the board for the honor of naming this community room after me. It means a lot to me, and of course, my wife Barbara is on the board of directors of Liberation House, and she did not vote on this. I'm not quite sure how she would have voted, but and also, you know, dealing with clients at Ginny's house, I happen to think, and I don't know how many know that prior to his elected positions, Governor Malloy was the state's attorney. Our daughter Suzanne is here as the lead state's attorney here in Norwalk. And of course, Mayor Rilling was a former chief of police. And they all dealt with the results of the difficulties of addiction and lack of family and lack of assistance. And just think, if there had been more Ginny houses, how many of those people that came before, all of them in the various stages, would have been helped and not have to be in the court. It's only, not only, but it's one unit for 18. And if we could just expand that model across the state, and I know the governor has advocated that we need to fix the broke mental health system, not just in Connecticut, but across the country. We all know that. So I just want to thank everybody involved, thank Liberation House, and to the people that walk in. They know they're going to have staff that's going to offer them inspiration, dedication, and a whole lot of perspiration. So thank you again. And as I look at that, and I appreciate my name being up there, but the most important word on that plaque is community. Thank you. God bless you.